In this video, we will demonstrate how to enable Captcha in your MFB Donate account. Log into your MFB Donate account and go to Manage Settings from the menu. Click on Administration. Now click on Configuration. Scroll down to the bottom until you find the Captcha tab. Toggle it on. To verify if Captcha is enabled, navigate to the menu, select Create or Edit, and click on Multiple Donation Box. A checkout page will be opened. Congratulations! Captcha is now successfully activated in MFB Donate.